Nanjing Deers is a professional supplier of dredging rubber hoses and pipes. We are specializing in developing dredging pipeline products, manufacturing, and business services. We have extensive experience in manufacturing dredging discharge rubber hoses. Our rubber hoses are made from natural rubber, which is super wear resistant rubber, strong reinforcement fibers, and steel flanges. Inspection and testing of rubber hoses are according to ISO 28017 standard and client's requirements. Dredging hoses where lining is super wearable and suitable for various dredging objects. We can also provide galvanized bolts and washers matching hoses. Nanjing Deers dredge pipelines can withstand extremely low temperature, good aging resistance, and resist strong ultraviolet radiation. We would like to work with you to contribute to the dredging industry in the future.